Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today's video is my December Boxycharm by Ipsy unboxing. So if you guys want to see what I got inside my box, then keep watching. I had the hardest time opening this up and I just did not feel like getting up and getting my scissors. So this is what this month's box is looking like. As always, I have my phone here to tell you guys what I chose and what Ipsy chose for me. First up is this Ahava Overnight Skin De-Stressing Cream. I really like Ahava products. I actually have another one on my vanity, and it is their hydration cream mask, and I love to use this in the winter time after I do a sheet mask just for that extra boost of hydration. So I just keep it up here in my room. This sounds really nice as well. You apply this nightly on a clean face and neck, and for best results use their other Ahava Mineral Radiance products. But according to this, it will rejuvenate your skin overnight. So this is going to give your skin a boost of hydration and nutritive energy for a beautiful night's sleep. Next up is the Ciate London Vitamin Boost Plumping Barrier Boosting Skin Primer. I love Ciate products, so I was actually kind of excited to get this because I love trying out new primers. Basically, this is just a plumping face primer. There's really nothing else to say about it. Next, we have this product from Dermalect, and it is the Flawless Bacchol, I don't think that's how you say it, treatment. I chose this. I've been seeing this Bacchol. I really don't know how to say it. I've been seeing that word everywhere, and I've heard a lot of great things about it. And I don't know if I've ever tried Dermalect, so this just sounds really good. There's Sentinel A, ginger root, green pea, and vitamin B5. And you just apply this on the cheeks, forehead, and neck and chin. This is for sensitive skin. It's a natural retinol alternative. Definitely excited to try. My second choice was this NARS Air Matte Lip Color in Lose Control. Really like the packaging of this. I also don't have a lot of NARS products. It's just a brand I never buy from. So I like to choose it when I see it in my Boxycharm or Ipsy. So let me do a little swatch. That's really pretty. It's a really neutral color. I will definitely be getting a lot of wear out of this. On my phone, it looks a lot more like brown, but that's okay. Definitely color I'll wear a lot. Last and final choice was this Element Beauty dual-ended liquid lipstick and lip gloss in Ibiza. So I've never heard of this brand before, but I thought that the color was really, really pretty. So first, I'm gonna swatch the liquid lipstick side. That's a pretty color. I'll definitely wear that. You could obviously wear these alone or together. So let's do the gloss now. I'll probably wear the gloss more. Ooh, the gloss is really pretty. And something smells really good. It's this. This smells very like fruity. So we have the NARS here in Lose Control, and then these two are the Element in Ibiza. Not gonna lie, I wasn't really thrilled when I was doing my choices for this box, but getting it and seeing everything in person, I'm actually really excited for this month's box. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked in the description box down below. And that is all I have to say, so I will see you guys next time. Bye!